Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to make destructive migration in SwiftUI project using a Realm database. So as you can see here we have some class Realm Manager which has instance local Realm. This is a shared instance so that we can use this instance from any view inside our project. In initializer we open Realm, so we make some config with schema version 5. We set that config to default configuration and we try to open Realm. Okay, that's as simple as it can be. So for this project I have some class transaction which conforms to object and identifiable. Here we have primary key, ID, and a couple of values. This is user info which we use here. So what I will do now is I will add one more property. So persisted var other user. It's not really important what I will add here, because what we want to do is just try to run this now. As you can see, we have some exception that says property transaction other user has been added. In our simulator, we had some rows of transactions. If we just put this to 6, and we can add delete realm if migration needed, this set to true. In this case we don't have to do any code to explain this migration, what to add to other user property or something like that, because in this case we will go to next schema version and everything in database will be deleted and we will have a new version of it. Okay, as you can see here now we have a new version. This is one row because I have here on appear realm shared add items, so only because of that. If I on appear I added some I added one row to our realm database, but if I delete this, there will be no rows. As you can see now, this database migrated to new schema version and it deleted all the things inside DB. If you have a project that in which is that particular behavior okay, then you can use that. If you need to have all your old data because it's important to you, then you can watch my other video where I explained custom migration with Realm database. I will leave that link inside description of this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video.